guys, welcome to a new video, and today I wanted to talk about staying warm while dressing vintage style or just in skirts and dresses in general during the colder seasons, autumn and winter. This is something that I used to struggle with a lot. Often when winter came around, I would, go back to wearing jeans and sweaters, which was my uniform for many years. But guys, I am happy to say I have finally cracked it. I have never been warmer than this past season now that I finally understand the magic of layering. Guys, I am so much warmer than I have ever been in jeans, and I can, wear all of my cute clothes, wear outfits that I feel really good and comfortable in, and still be incredibly warm. Even on my bicycle, because let me tell you guys, cycling makes the cold a completely new experience. For those unaware, by the way, I live in the Netherlands, I am Dutch, and we cycle everywhere. My bike is my primary means of transportation. So yes, I do use it a lot, and it is very important for me to be warm even when I'm cycling. And also, cold in the Netherlands is quite different, I feel, from cold in many different countries. We have very high humidity, which makes the cold very unpleasant and kind of is that type of cold that chills you to the bones, Even though we don't get super, super cold, freezing temperatures like below -10 degrees, I'd say, the cold is very unpleasant. Enough chatting about weather. I'm here today to show you the magic of layering as well, how to build an outfit that is super warm, super comfortable, and super cute. Allows you to maintain that very feminine vintage silhouette. So I have a couple different outfits for you that I'm going to illustrate this with, so let's get started. Besides my underwear, obviously, I am going to be starting every outfit with a base layer, and that consists of a camisole and a pair of thermal tights. Regardless of whether I'm wearing a skirt or trousers, I will put some thermal tights under everything. If you can, try and really find some thermal ones. They are so much warmer than the normal kind. It really does make a huge difference. So for this particular outfit, I am going to then go over with a blouse as my first kind of upper layer. Typically this would be either a blouse or a t-shirt or a turtleneck, something that's going to be my first visible layer. So something I always like to do is to tuck my blouses and shirts into my tights, and that just helps them stay nice and flat and not bulk up at the top. So next I am putting on a skirt that is going to be my underskirt, as it were. You could use a slip skirt or a slip dress for this. I just use another skirt that I have that is shorter than the one I plan to wear. And then I put on my upper kind of the skirt I want to wear that day on top. And that gives me 2 layers of fabric, which is much warmer than one, obviously. So then typically I will put on another layer on the upper body as well. So today I'm going for this vest, and that is kind of my indoor outfit completed. So this already consists of 3 layers on the top and 3 layers on the bottom. So for my outerwear, I will put on an extra pair of socks. Not only does it keep the feet warmer, it also helps protect your tights from kind of the friction in your shoes. So for my shoes, I am going to be using some ankle-high boots, at least, preferably even higher. And I like to pick out a pair that is lined on the inside with some kind of fluffy, warm material, which really helps keep you even warmer. So for my coat, I pretty much only have a few good winter coats, and this is my favorite of them, so I'm going to be featuring this one in all my outfits today as well. It is a coat from H&M, but I've had it for over 10 years, I think, but I really, really love it. It has a beautiful silhouette and is really nice and warm. So on top of that, I'm going to add a scarf in a nice matching color, as well as a beret. Right now it is not freezing outside yet, so I can still get away with a beret. As soon as temperatures get to below freezing, I will wear just knitted hats. 1 or even 2, sometimes I layer these. Which also goes for my gloves. I will always wear 1 pair, 2 pairs if needed. And the same goes for the tights as well, by the way. Don't be afraid to layer these. Case in point, I'm wearing 2 layers of skin-colored tights here, as well as a skin-colored camisole and my underskirt again. And for this outfit, I really wanted to illustrate how you can wear items that might not be typically wintertime appropriate, adapt them for winter wear. So I am wearing this gorgeous, gorgeous Sunday Floor dress, which is made of linen. Sunday Floor are an ethical brand which make clothing out of beautiful, beautiful sustainable linen. And I do want to say that natural materials in general keep you warmer when it's cold, and they also breathe a little bit better when it's hot, so that you don't have to constantly be, taking off layers when you're inside and putting them on when you go out. So to make this more winter appropriate, I am putting on a white sweater on top, a beautiful knitted sweater which goes beautifully with the white inside of the skirt. And then for my outerwear, I'm going to put on some socks and those same brown shoes again, my black coat. And so I wanted to illustrate how you can kind of dress up a coat in different ways so that it looks like you're wearing a different outfit, even though you are technically wearing the same coat. And also to kind of point out that your coat doesn't have to be the top layer of your outfit. So I, for example, really like to wear this cape on top of my coat, adds an extra layer of warmth, shields from the wind as well, and just looks really cute and unique. So for my third outfit, I'm going to be wearing some trousers. So for that, I'm wearing some very thick leggings and socks underneath, a black camisole on top, and I'm going to put on a black blouse, which I'm going to tuck into my tights again. So then I'm going over with some wool trousers, which are really, really nice and warm, but very itchy. So you definitely need those leggings, not just for warmth, but for comfort as well. Since they are true vintage, they're not of the modern soft wool. So then for my third top layer, I'm going to wear this knitted sweater that was handmade by my grandma, vintage as well. So that is my indoors outfit done. And for outdoors, I'm going to put on those same boots again. They are my warmest pair and really nice. I love these. They go with nearly everything. And my winter coat again. And I'm going to go for another set of outerwear accessories again. So this time I'm going to take this faux fur scarf thingy, which is really nice and warm. I'm going to put on a felted hat and these knitted gloves, which have a faux fur lining as well. And there is another completely different outerwear look, and so, so warm. So that is it, guys. Lots of thin layers are so much better than a couple of thick ones, and this is so much warmer than jeans and a sweater. Like, I cannot even compare the two. Yes, I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I hope you found it helpful. I want to give a massive thank you to Sunday Floor for sending me this gorgeous dress and sponsoring today's video. I absolutely adore their items. Like, honestly, this is my dream dress, and pretty much everything else they have on their website is the rest of my dream wardrobe, so I strongly encourage you to check out Sunday Floor. As I mentioned, they are an ethical brand. All of their clothing is made of sustainable linen. It's definitely a brand I very much like to support, so do be sure to check out their website. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!